Hello, my name is April Thomas. I'm the author of the Endurance series. And when I'm not writing, I like to make natural skin and hair products. So today we're going to be making avocado oil. The carrier oil that I'm using is sunflower oil that also has avocado oil in it. I would have preferred to just use sunflower oil on its own, but the store that I went to didn't have that. So I used 3 avocados. I scraped them out. I saved the seeds to use for another project, and I crushed up the avocados, made it as pasty and as, I don't know, mushy as I can make it. I started it on a low heat because I don't want to burn the avocado. I want to slowly pull the nutrients out of it and into the oil. That's my goal. So here I am scraping as much of it as I can into the bowl. And I'm just going to kind of spread it out in the pan. I used 8 ounces of the sunflower avocado oil. And I have the heat on a not really medium. It's above medium, so not too low, not too medium, if that makes any sense. You're gonna see it's gonna have a kind of a light kind of boil to it, or sizzle I should say, but it's gonna build up to it, which is what I'm looking for. I don't want it to be an instant like fry. So this is after 35 minutes of cooking. And you can see the color's changed. It still has that green, which is good, but the parts that are brown, they're starting to dry slowly, which is good. So this is at 65 minutes. And I was pretty much satisfied with it here. And now what I'm going to do is just let it cool down before extracting the oil. And you could still see that there's still some fresh green pieces in there, which is great. It did not burn the avocado. It smelled like kind of like fresh baked bread, which was kind of nice. The whole house smelled like fresh baked bread. It's not a bad scent. It just kind of did make me hungry. I like to make as much of the supplies when I make my natural soaps and hair products on my own, mainly because you want to know what you're putting in your stuff. So if I could make a lot of it on my own, I do. Next, I'm going to be making orange oil, essential oil, which is great for cellulites. So here I'm pouring the avocado into, I use a stocking. It's a brand new stocking. It's clean. And I wrapped it over a bowl. And I think this is a really great method. The thing is with avocado, because it does eventually kind of go through even the stocking, you kind of have to do this a couple times. And then you let the oil settle, and you're going to see at the bottom of where the oil is settled, you're going to see more settlement, which you can transfer the oil into another clean mason jar and, throw away that settlement if you like. So this avocado oil is going to be going into my shampoo bar that I'm going to be making. I haven't exactly sorted out what I want in my shampoo bar, but I want it to stimulate the hair follicles. So avocado and ginger are definitely going to be 2 of the main ingredients that I want to put in there. So here I am. I had to strain it again, like I talked about just a few seconds ago. And even after doing this, after you eat, you're gonna let it sit, and there's gonna be more sediment. But it was all right. It's not that bad. So here I am pouring it into the mason jar. It's a beautiful green color. I'm pretty sure I could have squeezed some more and get some more of the oil out, but then I'd also have to strain it a lot more times. So I was happy with what I got. And here's the avocado oil. And here is the comparison of the sunflower oil and avocado oil. I want to thank you for watching my video, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.